Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today I'll show you how to make mockup. You know what is mockup? Mockup is the real view of your design or anything or something. How to make this type of mockup at your Photoshop, your customized mockup. You can buy from the online, but you need some mockup. Sometimes you can make it own. Okay, let's see how to make it. Go to the file, then the open option, and open up a photo which is I downloaded from the internet, and I'll give you the link of this stock image and you can get download from there. Okay, after that I'll make a copy of this image, and then the rectangle marquee tool, or by pressing only M, and just select the area on the photo. Okay, go to the right, press and transform selection, and be careful, all the corner you have to, okay, all the corner you have to get, suppose this corner. Okay, after that this corner is okay, get and hit OK. After that press Ctrl J for making the copy, only this thing, and after that press Ctrl J again and Ctrl T, just make it slider. Okay, and go to the blending option and then give shadow, drop shadow, a little bit drop shadow, 2%. Don't give more, 3% is enough. After that press Ctrl J again and Ctrl T and just make it slider. Okay, it's looking like that. Some photographs are just you kept on your table, and that's good. Okay, how to make it mockup? I've done the basic thing here, but how to make it mockup? At first I have to rename all the things. Number 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Okay, I'll make all the layer into the smart object, convert to smart object, all are just convert to smart object. Okay, get. Now press this icon, it will open up in a new layer. After that go to the file, place embedded, and place image. Okay, this area is covered. After that I'll just close the layer 1 and I'll go to the layer 2. After, go to the file and place embedded and place that picture and rotate the picture slightly. Okay, I'll fill up the corner by pressing Ctrl and just moving the corner. Hit OK and press Ctrl S. Number 2 is done, and number 3, final one. Smart object, and go to the file and place embedded. I'll just place the picture in this image. Okay, fulfill the area by pressing Ctrl and moving the anchor point of the corner. Okay, this one. Hit OK and press Ctrl S. Okay, my mockup is done. This one is too much easiest way to make mockup, and hope you will enjoy my tutorial. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new tutorial. and don't forget to share with your friend. Thank you so much.